In front of me is Google Pixel 7 and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply Apple Layout on this Android. You need to begin by locating and opening Play Store app. Now tap on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then you need to get this app from this developer and when it's ready, hit open. Now in order to use iOS Launcher, choose while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen and tap on Home button. Then go into Devices Settings. In them you need to scroll down and tap on Apps. Then click on Default Apps under General and click on Home app. Now finally apply iOS Launcher by clicking on it and choosing Got It in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my smartphone. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by exiting the same settings and tapping on Pixel Launcher or Apple one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!